Welcome back to Processing Brains. In this video, we will learn how to install Python on Windows 11. So here I have Windows 11 installed, and if I go currently and open up CMD command prompt by going on, and if I open up the command prompt, and currently if I go and type in for Python version, there is no Python installed dash dash version. So here you can see Python not installed. And to download and install Python, I would simply go and open up any browser, in my case Google Chrome, and once I am here, simply go and type in for Python, and hit enter. So here we have Python. Just go and open this up. You can here go to downloads, click on download Python. So the download has started. You can open it from here, or you can always go to downloads folder and open it from here. So once you have double click it, here we are. Here, check mark this add Python to path, install launcher for all. You can always go to customize install, and in case if you do not want pip or tk or IDLE or whatever, you can uncheck those as well, but these are required. I would recommend them as checked. Click on next, and here you have other options as well. It's recommended that you install it for all users, but that's totally up to you. So once you have done so, click on install, click on yes, and within few moments you will see that we are almost near to completion. So just wait for this process to complete. It could take few more moments, so just go and wait for. We are almost done. So here you can see, you can simply go and click on close path, close, and once you have done so, I will refresh the command prompt, and again I would open up the command prompt from here, open it as administrator, yes, and once you have opened this up, simply go and type in for Python dash dash version, hit enter. So here you can see the Python version is here. So hope by doing so you'll be able to install Python on Windows 11. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.